everybody, welcome back to Phonics. Today we're starting group number 3. Hooray, well done. Last week you all did a fantastic job of remembering groups 1 and 2. So let's build on from there. We've got 3 jobs today. The first one is to whiz through the sounds that we already know from groups 1 and 2. The second job is to introduce our new letter sound, G. And our third job is to read and match. So let's get cracking. First of all, we're going to whiz through the sounds. As normal, I'd like you to try and say the sound before I tell you what the answer is. Here we go. T. D. Mmm. Mmm. I. Eh. Ah. Well done, everybody. That's the end of groups 1 and 2. So we're going to learn our new letter sound, and today it is G. So you don't need your pen and pencil just yet. We're just going to learn what the sound is first. Here's the story all about G. Let me move my camera for you so that you can see the letter nicely. All right. So Granny's sink is blocked and full of water. She calls the plumber and asks him to fix it. He unblocks the sink and the water drains away. As it goes, it makes a gurgling sound. G. Look at me as I do the new action. G. Can you do the action and say G? Well done. Here's the G shape here. We go for a caterpillar, up to the top, and a very long tail underneath. Maybe you can get your magic finger out and follow me. Are you ready? Start at the top, caterpillar, up tall, and down for a very long tail underneath. Before we move on to the next page, I'm going to sound out these words for you. You don't need to read them yourself, just listen and see if you can tell me, what am I talking about? Are you ready? G-l-ug. Can you blend the letters? G-l-ug. Say the word. Glug. That's a funny word, glug. It's a bit like a sound of the water going down. Glug, glug, glug. Let's try another one. G-o-ld. What did I say? G-old. Gold. Like this man's buckles. They're gold. And the hooks on the door. They're gold. Let's do this one. B-egg. What am I saying? B-egg. Beg. Please. Please. That is to beg. Sometimes your dog might go when you're eating your lunch. That is your dog begging. Beg. Here's the last one. Ugh. What am I saying when I say ugh? Is a hug. Ah, give your arms a big cuddle around your body, and that's a big hug from me to you. Hug. All of those words had a g sound in g. Let's have a go now at making our g letter together. You do need your pencil and your paper now, or your whiteboard and your pen. You can get those now while I get my magic pen ready. Are we all set and ready to go? Let's do our first g together. Off we go. A caterpillar, up to the top and down for the tail. Can you write a neat g on your page? Bear in mind that if you've got a line on your paper, you need to sit your caterpillar on the line, and the very long tail comes underneath. Watch again. Caterpillar sits on the line with a very long tail underneath the line. Let's get ready to do our second g together. Are you ready? Off we go. Caterpillar, up to the top and down for the tail. Have you done your second g? Well done. Let's do number 3. Off we go. G. Did you keep yours nicely on the line with the tail going underneath? Let's try number 4 together. Off we go. G. And it's time for our last one. Let's go, everybody. G. Caterpillar, up to the top, with a very long tail underneath. Super duper. Well done, everyone. I'm very proud of your work. I hope everybody is trying their very best. Now, your last job today is to read and match. This picture is for you on Class Dojo, and you've also got it in your Class Dojo worksheets so that you can draw on the screen and match the pictures up wherever they need to go. But before we finish this video today, let me tell you what the pictures are of, so when you come to read the words, you know what you're matching with. Let's get my magic pen out again. This one is a peg. Peg. I'm going to sound out peg. P-E-G. Can you sound out with me? Let's go. P-E-G. Well done. Listen to me. This one is gap. G, A, P. Sound out gap with me. Let's go. G, A, P. Brilliant. This one is rag. I'm going to sound out rag. Listen carefully. R-A-G. Can you sound out with me? Let's go. R-A-G. Super. And the last one is get. Listen to me first. G, out with me. Let's go. G, e, t. Fantastic, everybody. I look forward to seeing your matching and sounding out of these words to their right picture. That's it for phonics today. Well done, everybody, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.